you are highly welcome. Here we have a problem here. Particularly, we have a university, which is named after the first Prime Minister of Nigeria, ATBU, Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University. It's a federal university of technology with a population of students closer to 17,000. Faculty of 7. Yeah. So here is another part of Nigeria. So here the major constraint is the dispersed nature of the student. Yeah. Because you are running semester system. After each semester, the students what? Vacate. And then before they come back, their result must be ready. Yeah. So, which means there is need of communication to the student before, when they will come to the campus for the next semester, they are to check their result, the schedule, and then the timetables. So, the major concern is the dispersed nature of the student, limited access to content when they are at home, because that time they should also be doing something. Yeah, if those resources, because you have a web-based application that is there, you have to sphere information. If they can get access to those information, they were able to help them to keep them busy instead of doing nothing at home. So you have limited access to computers also when they are at home. Not everybody has access, but we know that in Nigeria, particularly at my university, more than 99%, closer to 99% of the students in the university, they have mobile devices. Yeah. So now we have we are trying to see if that technology can be used, you understand, to enhance what, or to solve that problem, so that they can get access to the necessary information on the website of the university. So we have a problem, administrative content when at home, and then the location what? Based study group. So what the student sometimes, to pass the message to them that the school will resume was also there, your result is out, check your timetable, you understand? Yeah, that is a major challenge also to the university, because our online registration now is available. But when it comes to that, they use the newspapers, they use the radios, the TV, you understand, to broadcast. But those things will not reach what? The student. But if those mobile devices can be used, you understand, I think it will be easier to get access to the student, and then the student can easily be informed. Yeah.
Okay, so actually what we have done is to focus on this first topic, that is the delivery of administrative content. And so there are two departments involved in the university. One is the ICT center, and the second one is the administration department. So we want, specifically, we want to deliver this kind of content. The scheduling, so for the starting time of the semester, the timetable of the classes, and the results of the exam. Because as we said, students, when the semester finishes, they go at home. And there are a lot of dropouts due to the fact that the possibility of the university to communicate with the students during the holidays is very low. So what we decided to do is to focus on a very simple system through SMS, through which the administration department can send simple information to the students that are scattered all around the country. And so the registration is already online and digital, so what we want to do is just to add a field to our registration form, that is the mobile number of each student. And then we want this to be imported in our platform, which is a platform where we can cluster sending SMS, but also clustering the students. For up to now, we thought that some messages can be sent to each faculty separately, but we think that in the future there can be need for more clusters, so we want to be able to cluster our students. We want to be able to schedule our SMS, so maybe I just write the SMS now and then I will send it in a week. And we want to be able to check if all the numbers or all the SMS arrived correctly to the receivers. And we want to have a history track of the SMS we sent. And so through the platform, the administrative staff will send an SMS to the happy students at home. And depending on which is the information he received, is either student can or know all about it through the SMS, or go in and check on the website, or call the secretary if he doesn't have a website internet connection nearby. So that's